Hello my beautiful viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something many of us drive across every single day and probably never give much thought to: our driveway. In my case, this driveway is made from slag. If you spent much time in rural America around farms, industrial towns, or older country properties, you've probably seen slag driveways before. They have a unique appearance and are often darker than traditional limestone or gravel driveways. But what exactly is slag? Where does it come from? Why do so many people use it? And are there any concerns you should be aware of before putting it on your own property? That's what we're going to talk about today. So grab yourself a cup of coffee, enjoy the scenery, and learn a little bit about slag. Many people assume slag is simply another type of gravel. Actually, slag is a byproduct of the steel making process. When iron ore is heated and refined in a blast furnace, impurities must be removed from the molten metal. Those impurities combine with materials such as limestone and other additives. The resulting material is called slag. Instead of throwing it away, manufacturers discovered it could be crushed and reused in construction projects. That means every piece of slag on this driveway had a previous life inside a steel mill. You could say it is a recycled material. Before recycling became popular, rather than creating mountains of waste, industry found useful applications for the material. Today, slag is commonly used in road construction, parking lots, driveways, railroad ballast, fill material, drainage projects, concrete production. So the driveway beneath my feet actually has roots connected to America's manufacturing history. One reason is cost. Depending on where you live, slag can sometimes be less expensive than traditional stone products. For homeowners, maintaining long rural driveways cost matters. A quarter-mile driveway can require a lot of material. Any savings per ton can add up quickly. One thing many property owners appreciate about slag is how tightly it packs together. Once properly graded and compacted, slag can form a very firm driving surface. Vehicles tend to ride smoothly across it. Many people feel it develops a hard surface more quickly than some traditional gravel products. This can reduce washboarding and rut formation when maintained properly. Water is the enemy of any driveway. Standing water eventually creates potholes. Slag generally provides good drainage characteristics when installed correctly. Water can move through and around the material rather than remaining trapped on the surface. A well-designed driveway should always encourage water to leave the roadway. The best driveway material in the world cannot compensate for poor drainage. If water stays on the driveway, problems eventually follow. Many people choose slag for its durability. It can withstand years of traffic from cars, pickup trucks, trailers, farm equipment, utility vehicles. For rural property owners, durability is a major consideration. Nobody enjoys adding new gravel every few months. A properly maintained slag driveway can provide many years of service. Some users report that slag produces less dust than certain limestone or gravel products. That can be especially important during dry summer months. Less dust means cleaner vehicles, cleaner buildings, better visibility, less irritation when mowing nearby. Anyone who has followed a dusty country road understands exactly what I'm talking about. Another reason some people like slag is winter traction. The rough texture often provides excellent grip. When snow and ice arrive, having additional traction can be beneficial. Anything that helps keep a vehicle under control during winter weather is worth considering. Of course, safe driving habits are still the most important factor, because slag is a recycled industrial byproduct. It reduces waste. Instead of being discarded, it is converted into something useful. That means fewer natural resources need to be extracted from quarries. Many environmental experts consider beneficial reuse to be a positive outcome when materials can safely serve another purpose. Now let's discuss the other side of the story. And no material is perfect. Slag has advantages, but there are also some considerations. Freshly crushed slag can have sharper edges than rounded gravel, and if you're handling it by hand, gloves are a good idea. Those sharp edges are actually part of what helps it compact and lock together. Still, caution is wise when working around any crushed stone product. Some people believe slag's hardness can increase wear on tires or equipment compared to softer materials. Opinions vary on this topic. For most homeowners, the difference may be minimal. However, commercial operators running heavy equipment every day sometimes pay close attention to surface materials. Not everyone likes the appearance of slag. Some varieties are dark gray or almost black. Others may have a metallic appearance. Beauty is subjective. Some people love the industrial look. Others prefer the lighter appearance of limestone. The good news is that driveway materials come in many varieties. Choose the one that fits your property and personal preference. Certain older steel slags could occasionally expand if free lime remained in the material and became exposed to moisture. Modern processing methods have greatly reduced this concern. Reputable suppliers typically age and process material before selling it. Still, it's wise to purchase driveway materials from reputable suppliers. Whenever you're handling any crushed aggregate material, wear safety glasses, use gloves, consider a dust mask when conditions are dusty. Keep children away from operating equipment. Follow equipment safety procedures. These are common sense precautions regardless of whether you're working with slag, limestone, gravel, or sand. For many rural property owners, slag has proven itself over decades. It provides a durable surface, compact well, handles traffic, and often costs less than some alternatives. Like any driveway material, proper installations is critical. Good drainage, proper grading, and occasional maintenance matter just as much as the material itself. Even the best driveway material cannot overcome poor drainage or neglect. A little maintenance now and then can add years to the life of any driveway. Well, my beautiful viewers, that's going to wrap up today's discussion about slag driveways. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have a slag driveway? Do you prefer limestone, gravel, millings, or asphalt? Have you had good experiences or bad experiences with slag? Drop a comment below and let everyone know what works best in your area. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss future videos on country living, property maintenance, equipment, tractors, lawn care, and all the projects we tackle around the homestead. Thank you for watching and for supporting the channel. I'll see you in the next video.